Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V70 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down and find System Management. Then let's tap on Reset. And as you can see here, we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on Reset All Settings. Here we've got the information that this operation will restore some feature settings to their defaults, including function switches, options, etc., personalized settings, and content field in during setup. So just tap on Reset, enter your screen lock to confirm, and tap on Reset. Of course, no data or your photos or whatever will not be deleted, so no worries. And now we have to wait until this operation will be finished. As you can see, your device will probably need to restart. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.